Leshen Intelligent has nearly 30 years of experience in the design, manufacturing, and sales of bottle blowing machines. We have brought together professionals with advanced technology in the industry and have hundreds of patented technologies. Leshen Intelligent is an advanced enterprise with processing equipment of internationally renowned brand and standardized workshops. Based on strict on-site management standards, we are committed to providing an efficient production management model to ensure the smooth progress of the production process. Our equipment and factories meet the highest standards to ensure the quality of our products. Our team has extensive experience and expertise committed to providing customers with excellent solutions and quality services. Whether it is a large-scale production or personalized customization, Leshen Intelligent can meet customer needs. A clean and standardized working environment and clear operating procedures ensure that employees operate in compliance with specifications and optimize production efficiency. Leshen Intelligent pays attention to details and ensures that the work area is clean and tidy through good organization and management.